Hi, my name is Carl James, owner of Creole Soul Catering located in Round Rock, Texas, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to show you a Creole potato salad. Okay, now we want to add that chopped egg to our Creole potato salad, and we're going to whip that into the mixture. Like I say, this is somewhat smooth, and as you see, we continue to mix. The more we mix, the smoother it gets. And we get all those veggies that we added in, as well as those eggs. We get all of that mixed together. Okay, and here we have that. Let's move on to our next step.